Hello, this is Terry from Rankin Studios in Alabama. Before I show you this journal, I've got a little announcement. We are having a junk journal retreat August 5th through August 8th, and we only have 4 openings left. If you are interested, please contact me at Etsy per conversation, or you can leave a comment on my YouTube video here. Contact me on Facebook, Rankin Studios, and that's 2 separate words, or send me a message on Messenger. Like I said, it is a 3-day retreat. Crafters and quilters are also welcome, and beginners. So it ought to be a lot of fun. We've got a wonderful place rented. It overlooks the lake. So we have that announcement. Okay, on to the book. This is called Andante, and she got that name from some sheet music, and it means surprise in French. She is a soft cover, 9 1/4 inches, just shy of 9 1/2, and she's 6 1/2 inches wide, 1 signature, and 84 pages. She is a lightweight upholstery fabric. I have left the threads. She has keys as the charms in the center of the signature. Book plate, a wonderful soft cotton flower with a button, a pearl center, and seam binding closure. She also has lace. Let's see. This is the 3rd time I've recorded. I have a new setup, a new webcam, but it's not been acting right. So back to the oldie. I'm sorry, but I do not remember the name of this paper line. I've had it for quite a while, but it's lovely. We open with kits from ArtyMaze. There are some from Graphics Fairy, and I'll name the other ones as I see them. We have the seed packet. Sorry about the shadows. The daylight got away from me. I believe this is Mrs. Cogg's Flower Sellers. This image here. Got graph paper. There's a lot of sewing and a lot of room for writing in this journal. This is some writing paper. We have a copy of a vintage letter from Rome and London. Rome to London. I got these paper bags from A Tattered Dream. Here's a tag that I made using shorthand paper as a background, some sari trims, and a heavily embellished piece of sari trim, and a piece of chocolate bar label. Nice piece of sari at the top. I did get that trim from Sheila Gingrich at Boho Daydreams, and if you're interested in it, let her know. She does do custom packages also, and she also sells lace. These flower images are from the Graphics Fairy premium membership site. This is some Tim Holtz vellum, an uptuck, vintage price guide, a flip, a cuckoo clock, My velvet belly band. And this is from Nature Walk. Little tablet with extra journaling. And we have a tag here. This is an image from Tracy Fox, stamped with a B. This is some wonderful fiber. It's all wool. It came wound on a wooden spool I bought from an antique mall. Love the sound of this paper. Somebody's setting the clock right now. Oh, that's kind of funny. Sometimes I feel cuckoo. This is a found relatives card from Tim Holtz. This is Blue in the Garden by Mrs. Cox. I think I have every kit she's made. This is a piece of feed sack with a secret journaling spot. Nice collage. Here's a collage tag. Part of it is from Tracy Fox. Some rice paper and some vellum with Easter greetings. You can always remove the Easter images after the holidays. Little image of a little girl from Mrs. Cox. And this pocket, that's a floating pocket, was gifted to me. And it just belongs in this book. And another dragonfly. More Mrs. Cox images. And that is it. That is Andante. I really enjoyed making this book. She's a beauty. Thank you. Come back and visit again. Bye.